In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Microsoft Forms. This step-by-step guide will help you enhance your forms with a personalized touch by adding your logo. Let's dive right in. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. This action is simple but crucial. By searching for Microsoft Forms, you ensure that you're accessing the right platform to create or edit your forms. You will see a list of results, and it's important to select the official Microsoft Forms link to avoid any confusion. This prevents you from landing on unofficial or potentially harmful sites. A familiar layout will greet you once you access the correct link. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. When you click the link, you may be directed to a login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you are using a work or school account, make sure you input the correct email and password. Logging in securely is vital as it keeps your data safe. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard where all your forms are displayed. You are now ready to proceed to your desired form. Open your form. On the dashboard, locate the specific form you want to edit. Click on it to open. The form will appear in a new window showcasing all the questions and settings you've previously set up. This is essential because you want to apply your logo to the correct form. Taking this step ensures you are adding your logo where it matters most. Click directly on the form title text box at the very top of the page. This box usually contains the title of your form. By clicking here, you activate the title editing feature. This is the area where you can make changes to your form's title as well. It's a simple action that will allow you to quickly add your logo right after this. Once clicked, you will see the title highlighted, indicating you can now edit it. Click the Insert Image icon, which is the small picture frame that appears on the far right side of the title card. This icon is your gateway to adding images to your form. When you click it, a sidebar panel titled Insert Image will open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is where you will select how you want to source your logo file. Understanding this step is important as it streamlines the process of adding your logo efficiently. Now let's explore the upload option, which is the most common method. Select this to browse and open a saved JPG or PNG logo file directly from your computer or mobile device. When you choose to upload, a file dialog box will appear. This allows you to navigate to the location where your logo is stored. Uploading your logo is a straightforward process, and it's often the quickest way to get your logo onto your form. Once selected, your logo will be ready to display. Next, you have the option to use OneDrive. This allows you to pull your official logo graphic from your connected business or school cloud storage folders. If your logo is stored in OneDrive, this method is very convenient. You won't have to search through your local files, making it easier to find what you need. Just click on the OneDrive option and you will see your files. Lastly, consider using the image search feature. This allows you to use Bing to search for public files. This option is particularly useful if your company logo is widely available online. Simply type the name of your logo or relevant keywords into the search bar. This can save time if you do not have the logo saved locally or on OneDrive. Once you find the desired image, select it to add to your form. And there you have it. You are now equipped to add a logo to your Microsoft Forms. Following these steps ensures that your forms reflect your brand identity effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!